there's lots of places that we've been to and we've seen the sort of transformation that the BFM fitting system has given the customer and the benefits they have. One in particular that sticks out, there was a customer that was making sort of protein powders, so it's quite high-end protein powders. You know, it was an expensive product when it went to market, and they reported that they were losing around 9 kilograms of product per shift. So that was coming out through leaking connectors. So I can't remember the exact market value of it, but through consultation and working with us, we put together a solution. They bought into the BFM system, they installed it, and the customer came back to me within about 3 days of putting it in, and he says, this is fantastic, this has worked, and he said it's already paid for itself in lost product, let alone all the cleaning costs and other associated things with you know, having product on the factory floor. So yeah, that really stuck out. You know, there's it is an investment, it is a commitment to put BFM in, but if you look at the cost savings that you get over time, it can very quickly stack up. Ultimately, with our customers, the BFM for us is about sort of keeping your product in the pipes, keeping it in the process. Often we're approached by people who are having issues with their sort of traditional Jubilee hose clamp connectors that are leaking product. So that's the visual thing that they see and think, okay, I need to find some sort of solution, and often that's where they end up finding BFM and finding us at Prospare. However, that being said, there are lots of different benefits of the BFM system, and it can be for one person, their sort of pain point or their problem is that they're spending lots and lots of their time changing these connectors. So for them it might be less about the you know, the product that's leaking or they're seeing it on the floor. It's more about the time that they're spending changing them. So for them, the benefit of snapping a BFM in and out in, you know, under 20 seconds is the bit that they really sort of latch onto. But they obviously then get all the other benefits that come with it, being able to see their product flowing, being able to keep all their product in the pipework, in the process. So what we do and what we pride ourselves on really is that we take the effort to visit our customer sites, and we go in with, you know, sort of an open mind. We go in asking lots of questions, finding out what the problem is, really like listening and trying to understand, instead of just saying, oh, that bit's leaking, all right, put a BFM on, that's job done. It's actually looking at, okay, we could put a BFM on there, but could we improve the pipework slightly, take out a bit of the offset? So it's not just about fixing that initial problem, but it's trying to you know, put changes in that will benefit in the long term, as well as just putting the BFM system onto the plant.